Alright, I'm going to show you how to make a caramel apple stick pop stick, and a ½ inch and a 1 inch, quarter, and an 1/8 inch strip of paper into a gun for a bigger ship that you might want to make. You might want to make your own vehicle and you need gun. Okay, now you got your caramel apple stick and you got your paper. I used 1 inch, ½ inch, quarter inch, and 1/8 inch. And now these layer on this from the low spot that it had made here. So that is the back of my gun. Now this is where it will mount into your wing or the nose cone or the front of your tank or whatever you're building. And I use this stuff because this is a practice thing and I'm not sure how this is going to look, so I go ahead and put some glue on here and we start wrapping this up. Now you find your overlap, which is right there, and you butt this piece up against your overlap